This gorgeous nurse was suddenly startled by a terrifying sound. In an instant, she and her coworker took off running as the entire building started shaking. But instead of running to safety, she fought through the fear and raced down the hallway straight into a room. It looked like she had gone back for something valuable, but she was there for something far more important. Then the lights went out as the earthquake struck. Seconds later, she came out carrying a little silly kid who had just had surgery and couldn't even walk. Without wasting a single second, she opened the next door and guided everyone inside to safety. As the building shook violently, her only thought was saving as many goofy children as she could, even if it meant risking her own life.